Welcome. Today, we're diving into a simple yet essential feature of Instagram: how to see the number of likes on a post. With the recent updates, it's important to know how to navigate this process effectively. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. This is where all the magic happens, and it's your gateway to connecting with friends and discovering new content. Next, you'll want to find the post you want to check. This could be your own post or someone else's. Simply scroll through your feed or visit their profile to locate the specific post that piques your interest. Once you've found the post, look for the like icon right below it. Next to this icon, you will see the count of likes. This number reflects how many people have engaged with that post by clicking on the heart icon. If the post has a significant number of likes, it's a great indicator of its popularity. However, keep in mind that Instagram has introduced features allowing users to hide like counts on their posts. If the likes are hidden, you might only see a message like, "Liked by username and others." In such cases, you can still tap on this message to see a list of users who liked the post, but the total count may not be visible if the user has chosen to keep it private. If you want to control who sees your likes on your posts, you can adjust these settings when creating a new post. Just head to Advanced Settings before sharing your content and choose whether to hide or show like counts. In summary, checking likes on an Instagram post is straightforward. Open the app, find your desired post, and look next to the like icon for the count. Remember that privacy settings can affect what you see, so keep that in mind as you navigate through your Instagram experience. That's all for today. Now, you're equipped with the knowledge to easily check likes on Instagram posts. Happy scrolling!